G'day guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm just going to discuss and give you a quick video on some of the recovery gear I actually take in the vehicle. Actually, most of this is usually in the vehicle when we go forward driving or camping, exploring, etc. As you can see here, basically it's just a basic recovery gear, okay? I don't carry a winch on the Honda, obviously, but the next vehicle, which I'll be revealing very shortly, will be having a winch installed on it. Now, obviously, the items I take is number one, shovel. Hey, that's come in handy many times. So yeah, dig yourself out of the mud, out of the sand, and yeah, many other things you can do with it around the campsite. So that's a handy one. I think we all should be carrying one of them. The next one is the boards. Now this is a generic one from eBay. Used these a couple of times. They're okay, but they wear pretty quickly, and they actually fade. This is it was a more brighter yellow, but this was actually sitting on one of the utes that I had, so it was outside quite a lot, sitting on a rack. So hence the fading. But I mean, hey, they do the job. That's the main thing. They get you out. The other ones are they're just a slightly smaller design, but they are the trees. These are the good ones, okay? So I actually haven't used these myself, but I've actually recovered other vehicles on the beach using these guys, and the vehicles I actually recovered are the all-wheel drives like Ravs and that. These ones come with the straps. They're actually quite long straps on each board, and it's great because, as you know, these things get buried pretty quickly, and yeah, you just yank them out with the strap rather than trying to find where they are buried in the sand or mud. Comes with the carry bag, really good and handy. Yeah. The other one is, oh, there we go. The other one is a recovery bag. Now, in this recovery bag, this is quite an old bag, but hey, it does the job. And in here, it actually encompasses the gloves. You got your gloves there. Actually got two pairs of gloves. The old style hitch there. I want to get some soft ones, but I haven't got any soft ones yet. A brand new tree trunk protector. Another one is just an older one, and obviously the snatch strap sitting in there, and just a couple of odd bodies and bits and pieces in there. So that's the main recovery bag, which obviously comes in pretty handy. The other one is pretty essential, which is the airing up and airing down. So yeah, she's pretty good. I've used it a few times and I'm pretty happy with it. So that pump is it's actually quite powerful. It's I can't remember the actual volume of it, but it does the job. The other one is the quick air down. This is a XTM model. I mean, there's various models out there, and again, it does the job. Does a pretty good job. As I said, this is just a very quick rundown of some of the equipment that I actually use out there. The other one is essential. Is this is the tool bag. And in this tool bag is obviously various tools, spanners, screwdrivers, zip ties, you name it. There's a lot of bits and pieces. Standard drill, and then obviously this little jigger. Battery sits in here. We've got rags, bits and pieces, but everything is in here for a bit of a mechanical, if there's any mechanical work required on a car, wire, you name it, tape, everything's there. So yeah, so that's basically what I take to the campsite, or we go off-roading. You can probably see here some bits and pieces which will be going on my other vehicle. Drawer, light bar. Yeah, these come in handy. Obviously, use these in the business that I had, but don't use them much anymore. All the ratchet straps is the heavy duty stuff. So I've got a couple of small ones there and a couple of big ones, and yeah, they do come in handy for anything. Yeah. So basically, that is it for the recovery recovery equipment that I use. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.